Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. We are doing practice questions, surface area and volumes. We have already finished cuboid and cubes, cylinders. Today we'll go for cones. So which is in syllabus of classes 9, 10, 8 and all, also comes in competitive examinations. So start from the recalling the formula. The cone is a solid figure. It is a plane surface which is a circle and there is a curved surface. Here this base radius is called or denoted by R, and here AB is denoted by your height, vertical height, and here there is a slant height. AC is denoted by L, and one relation is we can establish here as Pythagoras theorem, that is h square plus r square is equal to L square, which gives you the relation between height, vertical height, radius and slant height. L is slant height. Now why slant height is required? It is required for curved surface area. So let us write the formula now. CSA, curved surface area, is equal to pi into r into slant height and the square unit. And the value of pi, you know, it is approximately 22/7. Similarly, total surface area when we get, this is curved surface area plus this base area. Base is a circle, so area is pi r square. So it will be pi r L plus pi r square, and we can simplify this. We can write in this way, pi r plus r plus L square unit. Now coming to volume, volume is 1/3 pi r square h. And cubic unit. So let us go for the question now. First question is, the height of a cone is 24 centimeter. Diameter of the base is 14 centimeter. The curved surface area of the cone is, options are 528, 550, 616, 704. So h is equal to 24 and diameter, you know, this is twice of radius. So twice r is 14. This gives you r is equal to 7 centimeter. All are 7 centimeter. And curved surface area is asked. Curved surface area formula, you know, pi r L. But here L is not given. But we know the formula. What is it? L square is equal to r square plus h square. Or directly we write L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. So L is equal to here 7 square plus 24 square. And I'll suggest to remember some squares so that you can do very quickly. Here square of 7 is 49, 7 into 7. Square of 24 is 24 multiplies 24. This gives you 576. You can pause the video, you can check. So L is equal to square root of, if we add them, it gives 625, and square root of 625 gives you your 25. 5, 125, 5, 25, 5, 5. There are 4 5s, so out of these two I'll take 1, another I'll take 1. So it will be 5 multiplies 5, 25. Or if you can remember that square of 25 is equal to your 625, then it will be easy. No need of factorization, directly you can write. L is equal to 25 centimeter, then curved surface area is equal to pi into r is 7 into L is 25. And what is pi? Pi is approximately 22/7 into 25. 7, 7 cancel. 22 into 25 will multiply, it will be 550 centimeter square. So where is the answer? B is the answer. B is answer. Next, the volume of a right circular cone of height is 12 and base is 6 centimeter each. Volume is 12 pi centimeter cube, 36 centimeter cube, 72 pi centimeter cube, 144 pi centimeter cube. The answer is in pi. That means we will not replace pi by 22/7. We'll keep pi as pi. So let us recall the formula for volume. It will be 1 by 3 pi r square into h. In the MCQ question, no need of writing the formula, but I'm writing because you can, if you write again and again, you can remember very easily without pressurizing your brain. So 1 by 3 into 22/7. Radius is not 22/7, it is a mistake. It will be pi 6 square, 6 into 6, h is equal to 12. So I'll write 1 by 3 into 6 into 6 into 12 into pi. 3 two times. So 12 it will give you 144 pi centimeter cube. Where is the answer? B is answer. This is 144 pi. Next, how much cloth 2.5 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent having base radius 7 meter, height is 24 meter. A tent is there in cone form. Here the radius is 7 centimeter and height is your 24 meter. You have to wrap this with your cloth. That cloth is having the width or wide 2.5 meter. You have to find the how much cloth. That means what is the length of the cloth. The options are 120 meter, 180 meter, 220 meter, 550 meter. So let us find first how much cloth will be needed. So here the amount of cloth is same as your curved surface area of cone. And for curved surface area of the cone, you need slant height. Slant height is not given. So first you will get slant height. This is your not L, this is length. So what I will get L is equal to square root R square plus H square. These numbers are same as we did last question. R is 7, H is 24. So I will apply same concept and you must have remembered the answer also. 49 plus 576. Yes, I know. You could do it. This will be 625 centimeter. Meter. Then curved surface area. Pi r. So this is your area of cloth. Area of the cloth will be your curved surface area. That will be pi. R is how much? R is 7 meter. L is how much? 25 meter. So this will be your 22/7 multiplies 7 multiplies 25. You are getting 550 meters square. So 550 meters square is the area of the cloth. So this is same as your length into breadth is equal to 550. Breadth is given how much? 2.5. So what will be the length of the cloth is equal to 550 divided by 2.5. So I can write 5500 divided by 25. If we divide, we'll get how much? 220. So 220 meter. Where is the answer? C is answer. Next, the volume of a cone is 1570 centimeter cube. So this is your volume. Height is 15. What is the radius of the cone? Here is different because you have to use pi is equal to 3.14. Hint is given. Then the radius will be 10, 9, 12, 8.5. You have to find out. So what is the formula for volume? 1 by 3 pi. Pi is 3.14. R square. R is how much? R is not there. You have to find radius. H is how much? 15. Is equal to how much? All are centimeters, so I'm not writing. Is equal to how much? It will be 1570 centimeter cube. So I can cancel 3, 5. Now I'll separate R square. R square means I'll divide 1570 divided by 3.14 into 5. Cancel with 5 or divide 5 3 times. 314. So 31400 by 314. How much? It will be 100. So R is square is 100. That means R is 10 because square root of 100 is 10. So where is the answer? A is answer. Next, the height of cone is 21 centimeter. Slant height is 28 centimeter. The volume of the cone is 7356, 7546, 7506, 7564. Volume of the cone you have to find out. Height is given, slant height is given, radius is not given. This is your H, this is your L. You have to get R first. So H square plus R square is equal to L square. H square is 21 square. R square is not given R. L square is 28 square. So what I'll find out? R square is equal to 28 square minus 21 square. 28 square means 28, 28 multiplication. You'll get 784. 21 square will be 21 into 21. You'll get 441. 441. So we are getting R square is equal to, if we subtract 784 by 441, we are getting 343. 343. 343. Then we'll get R. R is equal to square root of 343. 343 is not a whole square. So make prime factorization. It will divide by 7. 749. Then again 7, 7. So I'm getting R is equal to, there are 3 7 under the root. So you know how to take the square root. Out of 2 7, I'll take 7, and 1 7 will be as your under root 7. Next, I'll go for volume. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square into H. So 1 by 3, 22 by 7. Oh, there is no need of R. We wasted time because directly I can put R square. No need of getting R here. So next time you can apply this logic. No need of R. R is not asked. So we can directly put R square 343 into H is how much? H is 20. H is 21. H is 21. H is 21. L is 28. Now you cancel 3, 7, 7, 7. V is equal to 22 multiply 3, 4, 3. So 343 multiply 22. So 686, 686. 6, 8 plus 6, 14, carries 1, 5, 7, 5, 4, 6, 7, 5, 4, 6, 7, 5, 4, 6, 7, 5, 4, 6. So 7, 5, 4, 6 centimeter cube. So B is answer. Next, the volume of a right circular cone of height 24 centimeter is 1232 centimeter cube. That means this is the volume. B is 1232 centimeter cube. And height is 24. H is equal to 24. You have to get curved surface area. Curved surface area means your pi r L. L is not given. R is also not given. So first from the volume I'll get R. So V is equal to 1 by 3 pi R square into H is 24 is given to 1, 2, 3, 2. From here I'll get R, then I'll get L, then I'll get curved surface area, then I'll check whether curved surface area is 1254 or 704, 550, 462. So 1 by 3 into 27, 22 by 7 into R square into 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2. 3 I can cancel 8. So I'm separating R square. R square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2. 7 will be multiplied in the numerator and 22 and 8 will come to denominator. So this gives you R square is equal to, now simplify. You can divide through 8 or 2 or 11 anywhere. So well, 8, 1 times 8, 4, 3, then 8 5s are 44. So now I'll cancel 22, 22 7 times. So it is better to remember 22 table, multiplication table. So it will be R square is equal to 7 into 7. Then R is equal to 7 because this is 7 square. R is equal to 7. After getting R is equal to 7, go for your L. L is equal to L square is equal to R square plus H square. Same we are getting again and again. 7 square plus 24 square. I hope you can get by this time. 576, it will be 625. So gives you 25 square. So L is equal to 25. Now curved surface area is equal to pi r L. 22 by 7 into R is 7 into 25. 7, 7 cancel. It will be 550 centimeters square. What is the answer? Answer is C. Next, 44 number question. If the volume of two cones are in ratio 1:4, the radii of the base, radii means is the plural form of radius, their base be 4:5. Then the ratio of their heights. So the question is about two cones. Their volumes are given as 1:4. That means first volume is your 1x, second volume is 4x. Radius are given as 4:5. That means now I cannot take as 4x, 5x. I'll take 4y. This radius is equal to first cone radius is 4y. Second cone radius is 5y. Then you have to compare the height. You have to compare or you have to take the ratio of height 1 and height 2 as 1:5, 5:4, 25:16, 25:64. So let us see. So first volume is volume 1. I am representing volume of the first cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square. R is how much? 4y whole square is equal to volume. First volume is how much? X. Now coming to second one. Second volume of the second is 1 by 3 pi. Oh, it's okay. I've made a mistake. I have not taken height. Here it will be r square. So 5y square into height 2. What I'm applying? I'm applying 1 by 3 pi r square into h. For first it is 4y radius. For second it is 5y. For first height is h1. For second height is h2. Is equal to, here volume is your x. Here volume is 4 times of x. So 4 times of x. Then I'll take their ratio. So v1 by v2 is equal to 1 by 3 pi 4y square. I'm writing 4y multiplies 4y 2 times h1 upon 1 by 3 pi. This will be 5y multiplies 5y into h2. This gives x by 4x. X means what? 1x. The bone cancelling 1 by 3 pi pi. That means what we'll get? We'll get h1, h2, h2. Y cancel, y cancel, x cancel, but it is 1 here. So I am getting in left side 4 multiplies 4 h1. Here 5 multiplies 5 h2 is equal to 1 by 4. So, or 16h1 by 25h2 is equal to 1 by 4. Then I want h1 by h2. So what I'll get? 25 will multiply the numerator. 16 will multiply to denominator. So it will be 1 into 25 upon 16 into 4. So it will be 25 upon 64. So the ratio is 25 is to 64. Where is the answer? Last one is answer. D is answer. Next, if the height of the cone is doubled, then the volume is increased by, what is the percentage? Height of the cone is doubled, and question is not about the radius, so we'll keep radius as same. It is doubled. Previously it was your h height. Now it has become twice h. So what was the previous volume? Original volume V1. I'm writing original volume as your 1 by 3 pi r square into h. Now V2 is new volume 1 by 3 pi r square into 2h. Then what is the increase in volume? Increase in volume. Increase in volume is V2 minus V1. So it will be V2. V2 is how much? 2 will be multiplied 2 by 3 pi r square h. So it will be 2 by 3 pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h. So it will be 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 pi r square h. So increase volume, increase V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. And what will the percentage of increase? Percent of increase, you know that amount of increase upon increased volume by original volume into 100. So are they same? 1 by 3 pi r square h upon 1 by 3 pi r square h whole into 100. So what is the answer? Answer is 100% because these two will be cancelled. So A is answer. Question number next. The curved surface area of a cone is twice the other, while the slant height of later is twice the former. Then the ratio of radii is 2:1, 4:1, 8:1, 1:1. So one curved surface area is double of this one. That means if second area is your x, this is 2x. This is curved surface area 2, curved surface area 1. One is double of other. Slant height of the latter. Here slant height latter means I'm taking L2. Slant height of first is L1. Again given that L2 slant height of other is double of the former. L2 is equal to double of L1. Then the ratio of their radii. So what is the ratio of R1 to R2? So first curved surface area is equal to 2x. Second curved surface area is equal to x. L2 is equal to 2L1. You have to get the ratio R1 to R2. So let us write formula CSA1. How much? Pi R1 and L1. And what will be CSA2? It will be pi R2 L2. Now let us write the ratio. So pi R, this is your 2x, this is your x. So pi R1 L1 by pi R2 L2 is equal to 2x upon x. Bone cancelling, x cancel. So R1 L1 upon. Now I'll replace this L2 by your this relation. So I'm writing L2 as 2L1 is equal to 2. 2 means 2 by 1. 2 by 1. What I need? I need R1 by R2. I need R1 by R2. So I'll keep this in left side. L1 1 cancel. So R1 by R2. 2 will be multiplied to numerator. So it will be 4 by 1. So ratio is 4:1. What is the answer? Answer is B. B is answer. The ratio of the volume of right circular cylinder and a right circular cone of same height, same base. Same base means same radius. Same base means same radius. They have same radius and same height. Who have? Now one cylinder and one cone. One cylinder, a cone, they have one cylinder and then one cone. They have same radius, same height. Then what is their ratio of volume? So I'll get volume of cylinder upon volume of your cone is equal to pi r square into h. And over the cone 1 by 3 pi r square into h. Is it easy? Pi cancel, r square cancel, h cancel. Is it 1 by 3? No, it will be 3 by 1. 3:1. So it is 3:1. Where is the answer? Answer is B. B is answer. Next, A right circular cylinder and a right circular cone. Okay, we finish this question. Right circular cylinder and dicircular cone have the same radius and same volume. No, you have not done it. Same radius and same volume. Volume same, radius same. You have to find the ratio of their heights. One is cylinder, one is cone. Here, their volume remains same and radius also same. Then, what will be height of cylinder to height of cone? So, I have taken h1, here I have taken h2. So, volume of the cylinder is equal to how much? Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square into h1. This is volume of cylinder. Volume of the cone is pi 1 by 3, pi r square into h2. So they are equal. So pi r square h1 by 1 by 3 pi r square h2 is equal to 1 by 1. So pi cancel, r square cancel. Then I get h1 by h2 is equal to, where 3 will go, 3 will multiply in the numerator. So 3 by 1. So what is the ratio? It will be 3:1 again. 3:1. The radii of base of cylinder and a cone are in ratio 3:4. Their heights are in ratio 2:3. Then their volume are in ratio 9:8, 8:9, 3:4, 4:3. A cylinder and a cone. Here the radius are in ratio 3:4. Then first radius is your 3x. We know when ratio is given, we take in this way. So second one is 4x. The height are in ratio 2:3. So first height is 2y, second height is 3y. So here it is 2y, here is 3y. Then compare their volumes. So volume of cylinder is equal to what? Pi into r square. R is 3x square into height is 2y. Volume of cone, pi into, here radius is 4x square into height is 3y. So directly you can write also ratio VCy by VCO. Then pi 3 times of x into 3 times of x into twice y. Whole upon cone, I have made a mistake. It will be 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into pi into 4 times of x into 4 times of x into 3y. So pi cancel, then y cancel, x cancel, x cancel. So you are getting 3 multiplies 9, 2s are 18. Here, oh, of course, 1, 3 can be cancelled. So 3 cancelled here. It will be 4 times 16. Now cancelling with 2, 9 over 8. So 9:8 answer. 9:8. What is the answer? First one is answer. So A is answer of this question. Next, if the height and radius of a cone are doubled, then the volume of the cone becomes 3 times, 4 times, 6 times, 8 times. You can apply common sense here. You can write the answers. R is double, R square, so it will be 4 times. Then your height is double, then it will be again 2 times, so it will be 8 times is the answer. Let us write how to write the answer. So first, your original volume. Original volume is what? It will be 1 by 3 pi r square into h. Now, it is a cone. Previously, it was your r and h. Now it has become 2r and it becomes 2h. So the new volume will be new volume after increasing. 1 by 3 pi 2r square into 2h. So how many times it is multiplied? It will be your 4r square into 2h, or it will be 8 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. How much times it is? 8 times. Or you can write in this way, original volume by new volume is equal to, this is new, by the original is equal to 1 by 3 pi into 2r into 2r into 2h whole upon 1 by 3 pi r into h. So you will get that all the things will be cancelled. You will get 8. So 8 times. So D is answer. A solid metallic cylinder of base radius 3 centimeter, height 5 centimeter is melted to make n solid cones. Number of solid cones. N number of solid cones. We don't know how many, but you have to get that value of n. Of height 1 centimeter, base radius 1 millimeter. The value of n is 450, 1350, 4500, 13500. So let us read the question again because it is a new type of question. A solid metallic cylinder. A solid cylinder was there. Solid, that means it is completely made of metal, no hollow, no vacuum inside. Its radius was 3 centimeter. Height was 5 centimeter. It is melted. When anything is melted, that means question is about its volume. How much material it has. It has your volume. That will be, after melting, made into small cones. The cone has height 1 centimeter and radius is 1 millimeter. R is 1 millimeter. Question is, how many such cones can be made? That means in the volume of the cylinder, how many times cone can be taken out? So it will be number of cones made from this will be volume of cylinder division volume of cone. So first find out volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square 3 square into h is, radius is 3 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter into 5, and the unit is centimeter cube. Volume of the cone, it is formula 1 by 3 pi. And what is r here? R is 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So it will be 1 by 10 square into here height is 1 meter, 1 centimeter, sorry, 1 centimeter. So all are converted to centimeter. I'm not writing the unit here because we are doing MCQ questions. So n is equal to number of cones. The value of n is equal to, I'm writing the division in ratio form. 3 square is 3 into 3, 5. And here it is 1 by 3 pi 1 by 10, 1 by 10 into 1. You simplify yourself. Pi cancel. Is there anything cancel? No. All will be multiplied in the numerator. So 3 multiplies 3. multiplies 5, again 3, again 10 into 10, 100. So find out the answer. It will be 945, 13500. So where is the answer? D is answer. Next, a conical tent is to accommodate 11 persons such that each person occupies 4 meters square space on the ground. They have 220 meter cube of air to breathe. The height of the cone is 14 meter, 15 meter, 16 meter, 20 meter. That means it is a tent is there. Here people are standing on the ground. Ground means this is your base area. So each occupies one person's need base area to stand 4 meters square. So 11 persons are there. So they will need 11 into 4, 44 meters square. So the base area is your 44 meters square. Now they need 220 meter cube air. So volume of this tent should be 220 meter cube. Now the question is, what should be the height of the cone? What should be the height of the cone so that they will get this much of air? That means this volume of the cone should be equal to the volume of air. And volume of the cone is formula 1 by 3 into base area multiplies by your height. So 1 by 3 into base area is 44 into height is not there is equal to 220. 220 here. So how much will be h? H is equal to 220 multiplies 3 by 44. So if we cancel, you will get 5. It will be 15 meters. So height of the tent should be 15 meters to accommodate these many people to breathe comfortably. So thank you for watching. We finished for your many questions based on cones. Next we'll go for sphere and hemisphere. Till then, bye-bye. Like the video, share it and subscribe the channel if you have not done it, because many more things you can learn. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.